Sesiqala ukujwayeleka isinqumo sokuxoshwa kwenyunyana yabasebenzi bensimbi i-NUMSA Kwi-Cosatu. I-ANC ithi ukuxoshwa kwe-NUMSA kuyaphoxa futhi into embi kakhulu. Kodwa leli qembu lenqabile ukuvuma ukuthi lehluleke ukuxazulula uqhekeko kumfelandawonye phambilini kulonyaka.
If they reject unity, I don't think we can call it our failure. It's the failure in the federation to appreciate the importance of unity.
Sekunesikhathi-ke kukhona abaphakamisa ukuthi kube nengqungquthela yokuqoka ubuholi ukuze kuzoxazululwa izinkinga.
What will happen to you if you are defeated in that special congress? I can tell you the next step will be a walkout after being defeated in a congress. Basically, you go to a congress with a formula of dividing yourselves. It's a bad formula.
Lezinyunyana zizimisela ukuthi kube nokubuyisana kwi-COSATU.
We are fighting for the soul of our own federation, which was built by our four leaders. FAO and other unions, they are the ones who started COSATU from the scratch. It's not an easy thing that you can leave the federation and go and form another new federation.
Lezinyunyana eziyisikhombisa zifunga ziyagomela ukuthi zizokweseka i-NUMSA ukuthi ibuyiselwe kwi-COSATU. Ngimxoli Mngambi, eGoli.